Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn Microsoft rewards points. It will be really simple and easy. So some people try using bots to speed up the process, but I will not recommend that. It can get your account suspended. Instead, I will show you the best and safest way to maximize your points. So number one is you can use Microsoft Edge browser. One of the easiest ways to earn Microsoft rewards points faster is by using Microsoft Edge as your browser. Microsoft encourages people to use Edge by offering bonus points. Plus, Edge has a shopping feature that can help you earn even more points when making purchases. Just by browsing and shopping with Edge, you will rack up points effortlessly. Number 2, use Bing as your search engine. Another great trick is to use Bing instead of other search engines. Every time you search with Bing, you earn points. Plus, Bing shows your daily point progress and available tasks, making it super easy to complete them and boost your earnings. It's a simple switch that can get you a lot more points over time. Number 3, complete daily tasks. To maximize your rewards, make sure you complete all the daily tasks in your Microsoft Rewards dashboard. Some tasks are quick like quizzes and polls, while others involve browsing or shopping. The more tasks you complete daily, the more bonus points you will unlock, helping you reach your goal even faster. And that's pretty much it. That's how to earn Microsoft Rewards points. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.